Dear students, in our engineering classes, we have directly entered in the chapter 2. Chapter 2, that is geometrical construction and triangles and quadrilaterals. Before entering into our subject, first I will introduce to you some tools. We have different grade of pencils in our engineering drawing, but presently we use 3 types of grade of pencil. Mainly used 3 types of pencils. First one is 2H pencil, 2H. Second, HB pencil, HB. Third one is H. This is H. 3 important grade of pencils we use in engineer drawing: H, HB, 2H pencils. H and HB pencils are mainly H and 2H pencils are mainly used to draw our engineering drawing preparation, and HB or H pencils are mainly used for lettering and dimensioning. These are the classification of pencil of grade presently used in our engineering drawings. You have definitely have in your hand 3 types of pencil. What are them? H, 2H and HB pencil. We are preparing our engineering drawing. Which type pencil are used? 2H or H pencils are used. HB or H pencils are used for lettering and dimensioning. Now we have to go through the second chapter, skipping the first one. In this chapter, its chapter name is Geometrical Construction and Triangles and Quadrilateral. What do you mean by a triangle? In earlier previous classes, we have to study about triangles. What do you mean by triangle? Triangle means a 3-sided closed figure. 3-sided closed figure that have a certain value. 3 sides and 3 angles. What is the value of triangle? Sum of the triangle is, we know that 180 degree, isn't it? 180 degree. Now, what is quadrilateral? Quadrilateral, we know that quadrilateral is a 4-sided closed figure. 4-sided closed figure. We have to discuss that quadrilateral in later. First, we have to go through what are the types of triangles. We can once again define triangle is a closed figure having 180 degree. Its sum is 180 degree. Different types of triangles in our engineering drawing. One is right angle, next one is isosceles, obtuse angle, acute angle, equilateral, scaling triangle. These are the sum of the triangle in our engineering drawing. What do you mean by a right angle triangle? Here I draw a right angle triangle. What are the speciality of right angle triangle? One of the angle is 90 degree. One of the angle is 90 degree. And sum of the angle is 180 degree. And 3 sides are there. What are there? Base, altitude, hypotenuse. Base, altitude, hypotenuse. Such type of triangle is called right angle triangle. Next one, obtuse angle triangle. What is mean by obtuse angle triangle? Obtuse angle means sum of the angle is greater than 90 degree. Sum of the angle values are greater than 90 degree. Such a triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Next one, acute angle triangle. What do you mean by acute angle triangle? We can say that its sum is less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. Such a type of triangle is called acute angle triangle. Next we have equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral? Equilateral. What do you mean by it? Equilateral. Equal. Equilateral triangle means 3 sides and 3 angles are equal. 3 sides and 3 angles are equal. Such a type of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Next one, isosceles triangle. We know that a triangle is a closed figure having 3 sides. If that 3 sides, any one of the 2 sides and 2 angles are equals, such a type of triangle is called isosceles triangle. Next one, last one, scalene triangle. What do you mean by scalene triangle? Scalene triangle, all 3 sides and 3 angles are indifferent, different values of angles and different length of sides. Such a type of triangle is called scalene triangle. In this chapter, we have discussed how to draw different type of triangles, quadrilaterals. I explain once more. What do you mean by quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a closed, 4-sided closed figure. We have discussed in later.